Welcome back. The High Court has refused to grant interim relief to meat traders in Goa meat complex case. The traders had sought modifications in the previous order of the court, which allowed representatives of the Petitioner NGO to check eligibility of animals brought for slaughter at the meat complex.
The affairs at the state-run Goa meat complex are still not smooth. High Court has allowed slaughtering of animals imported from other states, but with the condition that the animal is not fit for economical use. The responsibility of checking the eligibility of animals for slaughter has been allotted to an officer appointed by the government and a representative of Petitioner NGO. Traders want to get rid of interference by a representative of Petitioner NGO. However, court has refused to grant the relief at this moment. Bench has asked the government to mention the name of the officer who monitors the process on government's behalf. The bench has adjourned the matter for 3 weeks. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
A government-appointed auditor will inspect the funding and expenditure of controversial Jamatul Muslimin Shafi Masjid at Baina in Vasco. District Registrar of South Goa issued an order in this regard on Monday. The masjid has come under scanner due to its alleged association with terrorist Yasin Bhatkal and his father.
In its order, District Registrar has said that the present society managing the masjid's functioning has failed to prove its validity. Petitioners had raised the question over masjid's funding and had alleged misappropriation of funds. District Registrar has ordered that a government-appointed auditor will inspect all the fundings and expenditure of Shafi Masjid. Petitioners had alleged that terrorist Yasin Bhatkal and his father was closely associated to this masjid. District Registrar has said that this issue is beyond his jurisdiction, so the petitioners should approach appropriate forum for appropriate remedy. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
South Goa District Congress has expressed worry over unresolved Qurbani issue to mark celebration of forthcoming Eid al-Adha. They have asked the CM to settle the issue and allow to offer animals to mark the Eid al-Adha. They want the government to make arrangements at Goa Meat Complex. Animal slaughtering is banned at places other than the state-run Goa Meat Complex.
गोयचो जो होम मिनिस्टर बाब चीफ मिनिस्टर आणि होम मिनिस्टर आणि एनिमल हजबंड्री मिनिस्टर बाब मनोहर पर्रेकर आणि तसोच गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्साचो जो चेअरमॅन आसा लिंडन मोंतेरो हेमी अजून आपले कांय स्पश्टीकरण दिवना की गोवान जे आसा खंयचे पद्दतीन जे आसा हे पाटी जे आसा आमचे जे कुर्बानीचो इशू जो सॉर्ट आउट करतले आणि ताका लागून आयज आमी गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटीचे तर्फे मागणी करता की हेमी आपले स्पश्टीकरण दिवचें आणि कशे तरेन कुर्बानीचे अरेंजमेंट आसले थंय कशे धरून आमचे थंय जी बैल जे हाडटले ते कुर्बानी करपाक लागून थंय कितें कितें अरेंजमेंट आसलें हें तेमी सगळ्यांनी क्लियर करचें कित्याक कुर्बानी जे आसा हें आमचो फंडामेंटल रायट आसा आनी सगळे मुस्लीम जे ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड जे आसा विदावट कुर्बानी जे आसा आमचे जे ईद जे आसा ईद जे सेलिब्रेशन जायना करून कुर्बानीचे जे आसा आमकां सीएमान बंदोबस्त करून दिल्लो डिफरंट जाग्यार आमी मीट कॉम्प्लेक्सांनी ताणें आमकां लास्ट टायम बंदोबस्त करून दिल्लो सीएमान आनी आमी मीट कॉम्प्लेक्स जे आसा हय ताणें बंदोबस्त करून दिल्लो आनी त्या प्रमाणे सगळ्यांनी आमी मीट कॉम्प्लेक्सा व्हरून जे आसा थंय जे बैल जे आसा ते व्हरून थंय कापलेले.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.